You know what's strange about modern travel? We trust algorithms with almost everything. Money, navigation, work. But the moment we land in a new city, coming out of the airport, something inside still tightens. Because that's when we're most vulnerable. You've just stepped off a plane. Time zones are off. Your head is overloaded. Your phone barely has signal. And at that exact moment, you're offered a convenient solution. No face, no name, just an icon on a screen. And somehow, that's when the question appears. Who is actually going to drive me right now? I travel a lot. For work, with family, alone. And I realize something. Travel stress is rarely about the road itself. It's about uncertainty, about waiting, about depending on a system that doesn't really see you. At some point, I understood I don't need a perfect interface. I need a human. That's where GetTransfer entered my life. Not as another transfer service, but as a logic built around real human situations. You know the price in advance, not an estimate, not approximately, the real number. You see your driver beforehand, their name, their rating, their car. Your flight is delayed, you're not abandoned. Someone waits. Because on the other side there isn't an algorithm, but a real person who understands what delays and exhaustion feel like. And you feel that immediately. You walk into arrivals, and you're met. Not a booking, not a user. You, by name, with a sign, with eye contact, not an automated message. You sit down in the car and suddenly realize you're breathing out for the first time that day. Because the road no longer demands your attention. This becomes especially clear on business trips. When meetings matter. When time is compressed into minutes. When being late isn't awkward, it's costly. GetTransfer isn't about rushing. It's about removing the road from your list of problems. And maybe the most important thing is respect for your time. Fixed prices, clear terms, no negotiations in parking lots, no surprises once you're already in the car. Over time, you start valuing this more than leather seats. Because real comfort is not having to stay alert. Their idea, real people for real life, resonates deeply with me. Because real life never runs perfectly. Flights get delayed, plans change, traffic happens. And in those moments, what matters isn't how smart the software is, but whether someone on the other side is willing to take responsibility. For me, GetTransfer is a service that doesn't try to be loud. It simply behaves like a human should. And in a world becoming more automated every day, that quietly becomes a form of luxury.